welcome back to my channel. My name is Saran.
My name is Jasmine. We are J Vlog in the house.
This video is going to be really interesting video and it is inspired by POOH in Korea. So we are like huge POOH Bhagat and today's video is going to be really interesting. So today's video is one color food challenge. So we are going to decide the color by picking the chits. So you already know the color from thumbnail, but watch the clip. I picked this one.
I picked this one.
Purple.
Guys, I got purple.
Jasmine got purple.
Buy and go.
And mine is blue. Okay, I got blue. So I'm going to eat blue color for legit 24 hours.
And I'm gonna eat purple color food for 24 hours.
So yeah, this video is going to be really interesting and we are like so much like excited. So let's go for purple or blue food shopping.
Let's go, guys.
Purple house.
ये देखो हमारे मस्त मस्त वाले खेत मस्त मस्त सड़कें मस्त मस्त सड़क
Again blue house. ऊपर पंछी भी है गाइस.
ब्लू कलर की बहुत ब्लू बहुत
मस्त साइकिल
The next day.
So for my breakfast, I have this Nestle dairy whitener and I'm also going to use this tea क्योंकि इसके डब्बे का ढक्कन जो है वो ब्लू कलर का है. सो मैं चाय बना रही हूँ यहाँ पे, पानी रख दिया है. सो लेट्स मेक अ टी. सो इधर जैस्मिन जो है अपने लिए मिल्क गरम कर रही है क्योंकि वो खाने वाली है हाइड एंड सीक चोकोफिल्स. So let's make tea and here she is boiling her milk. So here I am in the blue color and she is in the purple color. So for my breakfast I'm having this light murmura. This is from Haldiram's light murmura. I'm also having this vanilla cream biscuits. So yes, also having these nutcrackers. This is also from Haldiram nutcrackers. I'm having this Nestle Sukka Doodh. I'm also going to eat this. I'm also having my tea. So this is my breakfast.
On to my breakfast. So I have this choco fills, as you cannot see in the video, and this is soya chips, haldiram, and croissant.
So I'm going to mix these two.
I'm gonna eat now because I'm so hungry, and I'm going to upload my very first video in the YouTube, so I'm gonna look in there. So yes, guys,
Open this. It is ready. I'm having this with my tea. This is my breakfast.
so my choco fills are so tasty.
It's actually not bad. It's so yum. I'm liking it. So let me taste this tea. It's good. Good.
So I'm gonna eat this croissant. Delicious. The croissant. Oh my god. Don't look at my croissant.
This is the biscuit and it's looking so yum. So
And my croissant is not yummy.
let me eat this. It's too yum. I'm eating these biscuits for the first time. It's so yum.
So I'm gonna eat this. Guys, delicious. So this is how it looking from the inside. I'm trying this for first time.
It's yum.
So good.
गाइस वैसे तो ये बहुत ही हल्का फुल्का ब्रेकफास्ट है, इससे हमारा कुछ बनेगा नहीं, तो थोड़ी देर बाद हम कुछ आपको और खाते हुए मिलते हैं. सो बाय.
I'm gonna eat this yippee,
And I'm gonna eat this mac and cheese.
and I'm gonna eat this yippee. And my Maggie is also ready. So guys, my Maggie is ready, and I'm gonna eat it with my coffee. So let's go. And her pasta is getting ready. Yippee! And I'm gonna eat. It's not Maggie, no offense. It's yippee, and I'm trying yippee after so long. Tanu's mac and cheese is not ready yet, so I'm gonna eat my yippee and drink my coffee. So I'm gonna try my yippee.
So for my lunch, I'm having mac and cheese and cornettos, Pepsi, and after lunch jellies. This I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna also taste it, and this lollipop in the end. So I'm trying this for very first time, and the smell is not good at all.
Anything like that? I want to taste it too.
Guys, I'm not liking it
I'm
at all.
liking it.
I'm gonna put some
Nachos.
cornettos
Yeah.
in this. Let me taste it. It's good. Just break it. Guys, I'm liking this combination. It's good. So this is music pop. I'm going to eat this. माई मॉम इज लाफिंग दैट ये टुनटुना इतना बड़ा है और इसमें से ये निकला है। यार इसमें ब्लू वाले ही खाऊंगी, ये ब्लू।
पर्पल आएगा बच्चे,
इट्स टेस्टी।
पर्पल आएगा।
गाइस इसमें से एक पर्पल निकला है तो मैं अपनी सिस्टर को दे रही हूँ। गाइस ये येलो एंड पिंक मम्मी को जाते हैं।
उसमें से 8 गिन के 8 निकले और ये निकला है।
सो नेक्स्ट इज दिस लॉलीपॉप। गाइस मेरा लॉलीपॉप टूट ना जाए, कहीं मेरी लस्सी हो जाएगी। या I'm not gonna give you. गाइस इसने पूरी वीडियो में चीटिंग की है, सब्र करो। Guys, next I'm gonna eat these candies. So let's taste this.
तो गाइस पहले मैं अपने घर वालों को ये लो। और चाहिए मम्मी दी।
गाइस इसको तो मैं रोज खाने के बाद खाऊंगी, ये तो मेरा न्यू फेवरेट कैंडी है। गाइस नेक्स्ट मेरे पास है अंकल चिप्स और मनेको। सो ये मैं बाद में खाऊंगी, अभी मेरा पेट फुल हो गया है। सो मनेको का टेस्ट भी आपको पता ही होगा, अंकल चिप्स का भी। I'm not gonna open this. I'm done with my lunch and I'm so full right now, and I'm gonna meet you after some time when I feel hungry.
I also drink the iced coffee, but I don't like that. So I'm gonna also test this. First, let me shake it. This is shake and sip. Shake it. Oh.
These are fruity mints, and this is how the packaging. There's really cute candies inside. I'm gonna eat the yellow one.
I'm back, guys. I went to drink some water.
It's so good.
Purple. It's purple. Like dark purple.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna eat this.
That's how the candy looks.
Well, let me check the flavors. It's blackberry mint. Did you eat yellow one?
Lemon mint.
It's lemon mint.
Good.
Pretty good actually.
So in the end, I'm gonna eat this blue Kinder Joy. Spoon to eat it. Yeah.
Yummy, guys.
Yo, yummy.
Beauty.
Yep.
So guys, it's 11 or 11:15, I don't know, but I am hungry. Not hungry, but the noodles, like the cup noodles I eat, that was not that spicy, but it's all like masala one. So I want to eat some sweet, so I have this. So this Unibic Choco Kiss cookies. I'm gonna eat these two things and I'm watching Netflix right now. So bye.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to see more color food challenges like sister challenges.
Yes. So yeah, meet you in the next video. I'm so sleepy.
So yeah, don't forget to like, share,
Share.
subscribe. Bye bye.
Do all the good things and subscribe to the channel. Me too. Bye.